Hi to everyone. MEM School of Engineering, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, online classes, subject automotive electronics, unit number 4. So last class we discussed about CAN network, that is control area network for the automotive electronics. Okay. So in this class we are going to discuss about introduction to automotive software system. So that is a real-time architecture for automotive system. So in this model, so why should I get to the early up in the morning or follow this course? Okay, so that is said. What are the goals for this slide set? So describe the different functional domains in the car. Explain the problem of system complexity. Describe how complexity is addressed in automotive system. Give example of important requirements for realization of car functions. These are the outlines of the this today's section. These are the car function. So mainly car we have traction control, um, airbag safety system, headlight, then GPS. We have engine modules like that. We have different modules and different system available in the car. But we need to control all the system with the software. Okay, all the system with the particular software to work on the in the flow manner. Okay, so that means each process will be defined as the different functions. Okay, so in C we know that the basic C language we are defining the, for example, arithmetic means we are defining different functions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like that we define. Same as here we have different functions to execute the separate programming. Okay, one is powertrain, example engine control, transmission and gear control. Next one, chassis control, that is ABS, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability program, automatic stability control, adaptive cruise control. So these are the functions. If any function is required with this condition, it will be executed. For example, anti-lock braking system. Okay, when the speed of the tire will be greater than the engine speed, will mean it will be produce anti-lock braking system. So like that, it will be varied. Same as body, that is air conditioning, climate, dashboard, wipers, lights, doors, seats, windows, mirror, cruise control, park distance control. Then telematics are wireless control. We have different multimedia system in the car, infotainment, GPS, and in vehicle navigation system, CD or DVD player, rear seat entertainment, so revolver sensors, airbags, so belt retention. So these are the passive safety in the automatic function domains. So it is a program which is for uh, each function. We have a different bandwidth, number of messages, number of ECUs used in the different model. That means last time we discussed about the subsystem. So these are the 5 subsystem used in the vehicles. So this is the engine control model. So task of the engine control. Okay, that is a function. All functions are used in the different model. So that is calculate amount of fuel and the exact moment of injection, dependencies, pedal, load of the engine, temperature, sensors and actuator. So position of crankshaft values. So relevance, avoid mechanical damage, provide quality of control. So real-time requirements of fuel injection. So keep the fuel intake valve open for FFX microsecond and XRPM. Challenges. So latency between sending close command to valve the actual time when the valve close. The common set for latency. Sensor signal indicates when valve closes. Latency is measured during the every cycle. So determine when close command must be sent. So this is the model of anti-lock braking system. So one is brake pedal pushed, second one pressure passed to the brake fluid, third one wheel disc brake sequence, fourth one will be if the brake pedal is pushed too hard, the wheel will look a sensor detect the scent and notify the current controller. So controller releases a pressure on the dices by releasing some brakes fluid in the container. The fluid is pushed back to the repeat the pressure on the disc. So this is the anti-lock braking system. Here we have electronic system distributed and embedded and invisible to the driver. So pre-crash system reduce the severity of head to the tail crash. Okay. These are the different subsystem used in the pre-crash system. So radar for detecting potential collision, anti-lock braking system to apply parking brakings, partial brakings, traction control to identify if skidding, control system, closed windows. Complexity is due to the many dependencies. Communication is expensive. Modular design, divide an integrated system into independent modules. Define interfaces between the modules. Keep the interfaces thin. Advantages: separation of concern, flexibility, maintainability, and security. These are the functional domains, network architecture of a car, requirements for functional realizations. These are the modeling software. So this is a system architecture is a set of interacting components forming an integrated whole. So architecture is a description of the individual component and the interaction. Collection of models describe the system from different views. These are the different architectural views: logical view, development view, process view, physical view. Sensors and actuators, microcontroller and softwares. Connects individual CPU with the bus. The interconnection between buses. So controls one or more car function. So type of electronic unit, airbag, engine, transmission. So these all the functions are controlled with the different. These are the boards and ECs used for the process. All the ICs are embedded in the common this one. So these are already previously programmed for the process. That is CAN ports, CAN controller, power, reset button, microcontroller, digital and analog input output like that we have. So buses, requirements of function realization. That is mainly it is a timeline, because when we go for the any accident, the particular timely it will be defined the output. So the ability to software to undergo modification and repairs. So scalability, ability to scale a metric with a changing architecture. So maintainability will decrease when increase the number of pieces in the car as well as the security. Example, inflation of an airbag, real time or fast, fulfill specific time requirements. Software controlling the deployment of airbags 15 to 40 milliseconds we have to open. So the software which is working in the nanosecond for the execution of process. Safety requirements, the control system must remain safety. Security requirements. Okay, these are the concept we have discussed in this process. Okay, thank you. So next class we will see the engine management system and electronic control unit in the next class. That is a modeling software system and fighting complexity modular designs. Thank you.